Check this out, guys. On this website yesterday I was able to make $220 in a single day. You can see yesterday $220 right here. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you something that's literally going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you how you can make $1,200 per week just by pressing one single button using this push button method that's completely free. When I discovered it, I was like, how can this actually be completely free? Like, this is so powerful. But then I realized not a lot of people actually know about this method, and that's the only reason why it's still completely for free. Now you can do this right after watching this video. You don't have to sign up for any paid services at all. You can just create your free account. But the most important part is, guys, please stay until the end of the video, because I'm also going to supply you with a completely done for you extremely high converting copy and paste script that's going to make this at least 100 times easier. But before that, if you like videos about making money online without showing your face and being completely incognito, don't forget to smash the like on this video. It really helps me big time, and let's just try to get to 1,000 likes on this video. And also subscribe for more videos and comment down below and tell me if this video is actually going to blow your mind. I'm really just asking because I think this method is actually super genius. So just please comment down below and tell me if this video is going to blow your mind. And with that being said, let's get started with step number one. Okay, guys, now the step number one, what you need to do is you need to create your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account already, then you need to create a 100% free PayPal account. Now I have this in my language, which is Slovakian language. Sorry, I'm just going to change it to United States, to the English. But you can pretty much just go to paypal.com, click on sign up right here, and just create a personal account right here, because this is how you are actually going to be getting paid from the website that's going to be paying us out. Also, very cool thing about this method is you don't have to work at all on this method, and this is something that I really love about this one, because a lot of people that are watching Incognito Money can actually use this method and make some very easy money doing this, because you don't even have to work, and you literally just gotta copy and paste my script that I already created for you, and I'm going to supply it completely for free with your own affiliate link that you will generate in the next step, and you are going to get paid. So step one is PayPal account. Now step number two, what you want to do is just go to Fiverr.com very quickly, then scroll all the way down and go right here where it's going to say affiliates. This is something that a lot of people don't actually know about. On Fiverr, what you can do is you can be selling your own services, you can be buying your own services, but you can be also an affiliate for other people's services, meaning you can get paid whenever someone else is going to be selling their service without you doing any of the work yourself. And this is how it actually works. When you go to the commission plan, you are getting paid anywhere from like, I don't know, like $15 guaranteed up to $150 for all the Fiverr Pro services. So with just a push of a button, which I will show you how to do in just a second, you can actually get paid $150. Now this is a rare case that this is going to happen. I'm going to be completely honest. You are most likely not going to make $150 from these services, but the way I'm going to show you how to do this, you are going to be generating multiple 50 and multiple 40 and multiple hold on, let's just get rid of these cookies, and multiple 40 and multiple $30 payments, literally just for pressing one single button using this completely free tool that I'm going to reveal in just a few minutes. But before that, what you want to do is just go to Fiverr affiliates, and you just want to sign up where it's going to say, just scroll all the way down and just click right here where it's going to say interest in becoming a Fiverr affiliate. Yes, we are. Start earning now. And you can either sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email, or just fill in this really short Fiverr application, which is right here, and then click on next and just finish it, and also add your PayPal account, because that's where you're going to be getting these payments. Okay, and now I want to show you a super cool trick on how to actually make a lot of money using the Fiverr affiliate. So what you want to do is just log into your dashboard. Now this is my testing account that I just show for my videos, because it's going to show you like right here the top performing creatives right here, and I don't want to be revealing the ones that I'm using, because yeah, I don't want to give away the farm in every single video. But using this video, you can easily make over $1,200 this week. So what you want to do is you want to go to the marketing tools right here. I'm going to zoom it for you guys, and you want to go right here where it's going to say default and deep links, and you're going to see this CPA link, okay, this cost per action. But this is something that you don't want to be using just like it is right here, because if you're going to click on this link, you're going to see that this is going to take you directly to Fiverr, and when people are going to make a purchase, you are going to get paid. But it's like sending them to a store and getting paid for every single any kind of item they want to purchase. Like nobody is going to like just purchase something like this. So what we want to do is you want to search on Fiverr for something like, for example, Google Maps right here, like Google Maps, and then you want to pick up any of these like Google Maps citations for local business SEO. Now the cool part about these gigs is they are very cheap. They are starting at like €7, $7. It's pretty much 1-to-1. Actually, dollar is a little bit stronger as of the time of the recording of this video. So you can see that this is starting at like $6, and they are going to do 350 Google Maps citations for local business SEO. They have 5.0 ratings, so pretty much the best out of the best, and over 1,000 positive reviews. But if somebody is going to actually pick up this gig, the minimum you are going to get paid is $15 as a CPA commission. And this is powerful because the person has to pay like $7, but you are going to get paid like $15. And in some cases, depending on the category of the gig, right here, you can get paid like $30, $40, or even $50 for a much cheaper gig. So that's how it works with the CPA marketing, okay? You are getting paid for action and not percentage or a commission per sale. So that's why we are using the cost per action model on Fiverr. Now, all you really have to do is just pick a gig that has a good amount of ratings and good amount of pretty much upsells right here, like 186 euros, and just copy and paste the first part of the URL, okay? Just copy and paste it, go back to your Fiverr account, the Fiverr affiliate account, and then go right here where it's going to say the dynamic parameters and LP URL. Click on the LP URL and just paste it right here and hit enter, okay? And now it's going to create a specific affiliate link for the specific gig that of your choice, but make sure you're going to save it, because otherwise it's going to disappear. So now this is the gig that we want to be promoting. Now when someone actually clicks on this affiliate link, they are taken to the same exact gig, but we are going to receive a commission, so they don't have to browse through Fiverr, and we are going to get paid at very least $15 for a $5 gig. I think, does it make sense? I hope it does. And would you be able to do that? I hope you would actually take $15 for a $5 gig. Now that's just the basics of this method. This is how you're going to get paid. But now I want to show you the golden nuggets of this video that you are most likely watching this video for. So just before you move on, if you are enjoying this video and if you are excited to learn these golden nuggets, don't forget to drop a like. It would really help me big time to get to the 1,000 likes. All the videos will be then booming. I get more reach. I can help more people make more money online, and the world is going to be just a better place. But I leave that up to you. I will literally blow your mind right now. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google, and first I'm going to demonstrate the method manually, and then I'm going to show you a free robot that's going to do this for you completely for free. And this is the free robot. You can see free, $0 per month, and you can get started. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to the dentist on Orlando, or you want to go to Google and search for a local business in a big city or a big town. For example, dentist in Orlando, because dentists, they make a lot of money, and also every single customer or client for dentist is actually worth a lot of money. So dentists are more likely to buy this service to help them actually reach better rankings in Google search engine. Now, if you're going to search for dentist in Orlando, you're going to see on the first page position of Google, there's like 10 different organic search results, and everything else are advertisements. But there are only 3 search results, or 4 search results, 3 organic, but one more advertisement from Google Maps. And you can see if you click on the more places, there's a lot more dentists actually on the Google Maps. So you can see 1, 2, 3, these are the ones that are showing up on Google, and you can see then there are these ones right here. For example, this, and this that are not showing up on the first page of Google, but still are very good dentists. So what you can do is, for example, click on this dentist right here, click on the website, and this is their email. And now pretty much you can just copy and paste this email, then go to your email address, go to your Gmail, paste it right here, and then copy and paste this extremely high converting script that I created for you, which pretty much says, can you handle more customers? I can help. Now, if a local business is going to say this, like, can you handle more customers? It's like, of course I can handle more customers. Like, that's the best problem to have in a local business. So whenever they are going to see a headline like this, they are going to open it up like 100%. And then the body is pretty much, hey, this is, you enter your name. I just wanted to ask if you could handle more customers than you are currently getting. And they're like, are you stupid? Of course I can. See, the reason I asked this is because I found your listing on Google Maps, but it's not on the first page of Google. And they're like, oh, okay. Now I know where you're getting it from. Getting it there would be surely increasing the amount of customers, clients you are currently getting, and I can help you out with this. Our team has helped over 2,000 local businesses increase their rankings from Google Maps into Google search engine, and I'm sure we can help you out as well. In fact, pretty much just copy and paste the entire body, guys. Now, if you're going to read through this, you're going to be blown away first time of watching this video, okay? So this is, you just want to put your name. So for example, this is Erik, and make sure you put the name that you are sending the email from, because if it's going to be like from Erik Cagi and you're going to be, hey, this is John, it's like, no, you're not, you're Erik. So make sure you're going to put in the name that the email is being sent from. Then you want to copy and paste your affiliate link that we have just created, and you want to highlight this part. Okay, you can see all our reviews and what we do right here, plus all the success stories. So you want to highlight this part, make it bold, and add your affiliate link right here and add OK. If you need any answers, don't hesitate to contact us. We are looking forward to working with you. Best regards, and then Erik Cagi. Okay, now if you go through this email template, it's going to be in the link in the video description. You will see that this is extremely high converting. But here's the thing. If you're going to be doing this method, you can easily make a couple $100s per day by doing this manually. But you can see there's so many dentists in Google Maps that there's so much money you can actually make that doing this manually would actually even be worth it. But this wouldn't be an incognito money video if I didn't show you some golden nuggets. So prepare your like if you didn't like this video already. If you did, then don't click again because it's going to unlike the video. I want to show you something amazing. You can actually get all of these email addresses completely for free without actually working at all. And now, this is the software I've been talking about. It's 100% free, $0 per month. They also have a paid versions which are extremely cheap, because $29 per month, you can easily be making a couple $1,000s per week using this software, but you can get started completely for free. Now, this is the software. It's called Gmaps Extractor. Okay, now the name of the website is gmapsextractor.com. Now, okay, if you're going to rearrange the letters and you're going to call it Gmap, then you can know what is coming next. Okay, there's a letter and tractor. Okay, it's a very funny name, like Gmap, you know what, and then tractor. It's actually a very funny name, but this is a software you can actually use to extract email addresses of local businesses, and it's actually a Google Chrome plugin. Google Chrome plugin that you can just download, add it into your Google Chrome browser, and it's going to get all these details for you. And all you really need to do is literally just put in a keyword like dentist in Orlando, add another local business, add another city, add it into this website, and it's going to extract all the emails, all the phone numbers, just like this. This is how it looks like. This is how it works. Pretty much you add a kind of like a keyword into Google Maps, and then you can see I will just scroll this over and it's going to give you all the names, email addresses, phone numbers of all the local businesses. Now, I cannot believe that this is still 100% free, because this is very, very powerful. I'm not adding any affiliate links. I might do it in the future, I don't know, but you can find this software. It's called the gmapsextractor.com. Go to the pricing and you can see it's 100% free, and it's going to give you 1,000 leads. Now, even if just one person out of the 1,000 is going to buy, you can make anywhere from $15 to $50. Then just pay for the service and get like 100,000 emails every single month from any of the keywords that you're going to put into this. But because these keywords are going to be super targeted, the money you are going to be making using this software is going to be pretty much unmatched compared to how low you are going to be actually paying for it on a monthly basis. Guys, and that's it for this video. Please let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. If I should create another deep tutorial for the gmapsextractor.com, and also let me know if this actually blew your mind, or this was just a basic method. I really want to know about this because I think this is actually actually a genius method that can make you thousands of dollars. Anyways, thank you for watching, and for more videos, check out any of them that are going to show up on the screen, and I'm going to see you instead of them. Bye for now.